Hello, good day and welcome. I will be answering WASSCE 2020 Physics Past Question 14. The earpiece of a telephone handset converts energy from dash to dash. A from electrical to sound, B from sound to electrical, C from radio wave to sound, and D from sound to radio wave. Now, the earpiece of a telephone works on the principle of what? Electromagnetism. It works on the principle of electromagnetism. Now, the telephone earpiece is a device. It's a device which converts the varying electric energy from the microphone. That is, it receives electric energy from the microphone and converts it into what? Varying sound energy. In other words, the telephone earpiece is simple an electrical device that what converts electrical energy into sound energy. Now, this electrical energy is actually received from what? From a microphone, and the microphone is also an electrical device that converts what? Sound energy into what? Into an electric energy. So when you speak to a microphone, this sound energy will be picked by this microphone and then converted to electrical energy. Now, this electrical energy from the microphone will be sent to the what? To the telephone earpiece, which then converts this electrical energy into what? Sound energy that enables us to what? To hear the sounds or the vibrations. So the answer to this question is what? Option A, electrical energy to what? To sound energy. Thank you and God bless you, and subscribe to the channel for more videos.